What up? Shout out to everybody who joined the Honda Beat giveaway. We did the live drawing yesterday. Shout out to Nick from New Jersey. I'll show you guys a quick recap of that. And now it's 6 minutes. Let's go. Moment of truth, everyone. First spin is for the car. Let's see who's gonna win. Got the list right here. I'm pretty nervous to see who's gonna win this because it's my baby right here. But let's go. Time to hit it. 1, 2, 3. Finally. Oh, you're driving.
What's up?
What's up? What's up?
I'm currently on 280 right now, going home from work. I almost had to pull over. I was too excited, man.
You almost crashed?
Yeah, man.
Congrats. What are you thinking? Are you thinking the Beat? You're thinking the Nero?
I'm thinking Beat, bro. I've been loving that car since you've had it.
Hey, the Beat is going to Jersey. So no shocker to me really, but the winner took the car, of course. I think I'm gonna drop it off to him this weekend. Nick, if you're watching, comment below. I'll pin your comment. What I'm gonna do is probably just clean this up before dropping it off, fill it up with some gas. Definitely been a good run with the Honda Beat. Luckily it comes with a title and he lives in Jersey, so I think he'd have no problem getting it registered. Also, I'm gonna make a separate video probably very soon, but I got everything I need to register my next car that I'm going to pick up in a couple weeks. That's a secret I can't tell you guys. And I'm going to register it in Montana, and I want to do the video that you guys all want me to do of how to register a K car, regardless if you live in New York, California, Georgia, any of those states that are becoming a lot more difficult to register these cars. So I'm going to be making a video soon. I'm probably going to mention it in my Patreon first, but I want people to ask me some questions that you want to be answered. So like, you know, I think some popular ones are, what if I only have the import papers? What even are the import papers? What are the fees? What do you need? Because I've been talking to them the last couple of days and they told me that they have a whole like checklist. I'll show you guys like a sneak peek of it right now. But they have a whole checklist of everything you need. So it's really simple. It's really simple. I'm loving the fact that I'm going to do it. And I feel like that's going to help a lot of people moving forward, because I think at this point, it's just becoming more and more difficult to register these cute little K cars that aren't hurting anyone. But yeah, there's an update on the Honda Beat. Last couple days, you'll see it on the channel. I think the next giveaway most likely is either gonna be a glow plate, maybe I'll do the Minica, or maybe I'll do a couple different K trucks. Comment below what you guys want me to do next. I'm just not sure what value I have on the Minica just yet. I know I have to add all the money I put into it, obviously, but I'm actually really starting to like this car. I still got to add my cool little WayBeforeTheFame touch on the sides. In today's video, we're going to put the strut bar in. I got the air filter from Japan in. I got the blue radiator cap, so we're going to swap out the red one and continue with the blue theme. But maybe we'll do the Minica next. If I do the Minica, I think I want to do it like, I want to continue to do giveaways. I was saying this on my live yesterday. I want to continue to do them always under $50. I think I want to do it like, for the Minica, I'll do maybe like 30 bucks, but just do more slots. So I'll do like 250 slots for 25 bucks or something like that. You know, we'll figure it out a way where it's super cheap, because this still is like a budget build. Although I got the car completely painted, I got new tires, I got the rims painted, we got the radio, tune-up kit, everything, all the stuff that isn't very budget friendly. I still want to keep this, you know, $30 a slot, $35 a slot. So yeah, we'll see what happens. What I want to do now though, just to get it over with really quickly, is change the air filter. I saw some people in the comments saying I shouldn't install the strut bar because it's kind of annoying to take off, but in all reality, let's be real, does it need a strut bar? No. Does it need like 90% of the things I'm doing to this car? No. But I think it'll make it look a lot better, and I do think it will handle a lot better. And realistically, the only thing it's blocking is this, and how often is someone going to change the air filter? If I was blocking this, obviously I wouldn't do it. Out with the old, in with the new. Nice and purdy. Update, so I just test fitted everything, and everything can go back exactly the way it's supposed to. The only thing that's a little tight is right here, like I mentioned. But again, this is a brand new air filter. When is someone going to change this? Maybe once every 3,000 miles. That's not a big deal. And then the battery cover is going to be kind of covered, but luckily to remove this, all you got to do is just the 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not going to be how, the way putting it on initially, I made it a lot harder than it needed to be. So now I'm just going to take this off, put everything back in, and then just put this on top last. So I believe coverage wise I'm good. I could just have the strut bar on. Only thing I have to do now is just tighten the fuse box and tighten this up. And then lastly, I'm just gonna find a location for this. I'm probably just gonna stick it right there, get some zip ties and make it nice and hidden. And just like that, strut bar is completely in. You can see the car is fully moving. I think this is definitely going to make it handle a lot better. Right now, it's a little slushy, but it's also on 12-inch rims. I think once I get the tires on Thursday, once I mount them on, I think the car is going to drive a lot better. Now, let's take off this red Blitz radiator cap. See if this blue one fits. Oh, no, it doesn't. Yeah, it's two different styles. I thought it was really just color. But unfortunately, we can't have the blue one on. That blows. So here's the differences between the blue one and the red one. You can see that this one obviously has whatever this is. And this one just fits in flush. So I guess we're going to go back to the red one. And that'll be our one red thing under the hood. I don't know what I did with the fuse box cover. You know when you hide something and you put it somewhere secure because you don't want to lose it? That's exactly what I did, and I don't know where I put it. It's driving me insane. I've been looking for the last 30 minutes. That's why I haven't recorded something. But what I think I'm going to do now is drive around the block a couple times. I want to see if I actually feel a difference. Even before I was messing with K cars exclusively, strut bars have always been one of my favorite things to do on cars. I think for a solid $100, it does make a difference. And most of these cars, especially one like the Minica, aren't the best handling. I actually had strut bars on the B and I took them off just because I felt like it was overkill. The car isn't fast enough and it's so low and like aerodynamic that I didn't need it. But when I do stuff like this in the Minica, it would kind of just sway back and forth. So I'm gonna hit a couple turns, maybe going, you know, 20, 30 miles per hour, nothing crazy. And let's see if I can feel the difference. I'm gonna be honest. Let's see. Okay. Oh yeah, it's much better. Like, I'm not even lying. Like, I'm 100% not lying. Trust me, it makes such a big difference. That was only at 40 kilometers an hour too. Let me hit a turn going like full speed. Let's see. I could really get used to driving the Minica. Like, side note, I know the beat is gone. I could really get used to driving this every day. Like, I have no issue at all. But let's hit this turn. See how this feels. Oh yeah, it's still like, you know, it's still not like a sports car, but before I would feel like, you know, I would be tossing back and forth. Now it's a lot more planted. But yeah, like I was saying, I wish financially I could keep the Minica, you know, buy my car that I'm gonna buy in a couple weeks and just rock out with both, because they're kind of different in a way. So I don't really, you know, having both wouldn't be the end of the world, but I just can't. The next car I'm buying is like, it costs like 5 times as much as the Minica, and it's just, there's no way I could do it. That's why I'm selling so many parts. That's why I'm about to sell a bunch of B parts. I sold some Jimny parts today. I'm gonna sell some more stuff. I'm gonna do some free giveaways too on my Patreon. I'm probably gonna do a Up Garage shift knob for free for everyone that's in there. I'm probably gonna do that at the beginning of November. Let's punch it real quick. Coming up to a turn. Let me not flip this thing, but I'm gonna brake a little bit and let's turn. Let's see. Oh yeah, I would not feel as confident doing that prior to putting the strut bar in. I'm telling you. I'll do it one more time just so you guys can see, like, my body really isn't gonna sway too much. Right now I'm going 60, braking to 50, 40. That's not that bad. That's pretty planted for what this car really is. An egg-shaped car on 12s. Wait till I get some 14, some brand new tires. So I'm ending this video here. Hopefully my tires come in tomorrow. Once I get some space back here, I'm gonna mount the nitrous bottles. And tomorrow, actually, I'm gonna be selling the Moto Compo. So that'll be the last day that we see the Moto Compo on the channel for now. Maybe I'll get another one in the future. But Project Minica just needs about maybe 2 or 3 more days, 2 or 3 more videos, and it should be 100% complete. And then waffle coming soon, maybe a glow plate. I'm not sure, but catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.